Welcome. If you're ready to grow your presence and make an impact on Instagram, then you've come to the right place. This course is all about helping you master the art of creating content that stands out, connects with your audience, and drives real growth. So in this course, we'll be diving into everything you need to know about crafting engaging posts, eye-catching stories, and high-performing Instagram reels. You're going to learn how to plan, create, and post content that not only looks great, but also works with Instagram's algorithm to maximize your reach on the platform. So whether you are a creator, entrepreneur, or just someone looking to build their personal brand on Instagram, then this course will give you the tools and strategies you need to create content that grows your account and keeps your audience coming back for more. And if you've ever struggled with what to post, how to stay consistent, or how to make your content more impactful, this course has you covered. So let's get started and take your Instagram content to the next level.